This is the wood laser engraving business, and I'll walk you through exactly how it works step by step using a budget-friendly diode laser machine. This small but powerful machine turns plain wood into beautiful, sellable products like name boards, keychains, wall art, gifts, custom logos, and the best part? You can start from home with a low budget. This is called a low-cost GRBL diode engraver, beginner-friendly and widely used to start small businesses. What it can engrave: wood, best results, deep and clean. MDF, usable, but may have burn marks. Plywood, depends on quality. Bamboo, very clean, high contrast. Leather, perfect for designs and logos. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Prepare the wood. Before engraving, the wood needs to be properly prepared. Not all wood types are suitable. Common choices include jackwood, mahogany, teak, pine, and rubber wood. Make sure to sand it smooth, clean the surface, remove dust. This is key for professional results. Step 2. Measure. Mark your engraving area to get the right size and avoid mistakes. Step 3. Design. Use tools like Canva or Photoshop. Keep design simple and high quality. Step 4. Connect machine. Use software like Laser GRBL or Lightburn. Connect via USB. Step 5. Set settings. Adjust power and speed based on material. Always test first. Step 6. Align design. Position your wood and preview using the frame option. Step 7. Start engraving. Watch your design come to life. Safety first. Wear goggles and never leave it unattended. Step 8. Final product. Clean it, check quality, and it's ready to sell. Machine cost? Surprisingly affordable, only $150 to $300. And just like that, you've created a product people actually love to buy. That's why this business is growing fast. It's simple, creative, and perfect for beginners. If you've been thinking about starting a small business, this might be your sign.